In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a workspace in Slack on iPhone. Before we begin, it's important to understand that deleting a Slack workspace is permanent. This removes your organization's messages, files, member list, and other workspace data for good. Also, this can only be done by the primary workspace owner. If you're an admin or a regular member, you won't see the option to delete the workspace, so make sure you're signed in with the correct account before you start. To begin, open Safari on your iPhone, or you can use Google Chrome if you prefer. In the address bar, go to Slack's sign-in page and log in to your workspace through the web browser. Use your workspace address and sign in with your primary workspace owner account. If Slack offers to open the mobile app, do not continue into the app because the delete option is not available there. Once the workspace loads in your browser, you'll need to switch the page into desktop mode. On Safari, tap the AA icon in the address bar. If you're using Chrome, open the menu with the three dots. Then choose Request Desktop Website. This is the key step that reveals the full set of workspace administration controls that are normally hidden on mobile. After the page refreshes, the layout may look small, so feel free to pinch to zoom and move around the screen more easily. Go to the top left area and tap your workspace name to open the drop-down menu. From there, look for Tools and Settings, or in some layouts, Administration, and then select Workspace Settings. This will open the Workspace Settings page in a new browser tab. On that Settings page, make sure you're on the main Settings tab, then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Near the lower section, you'll find the area labeled Delete Workspace. This is the section Slack places in the danger zone because the action cannot be undone. Tap the red Delete Workspace option to continue. Slack will now show a final verification window. Read it carefully, then check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you understand the workspace will be permanently deleted. After that, enter your account password to verify your identity. When you're ready, tap the final red button that says, "Yes, delete my workspace." If the process completes successfully, Slack will remove the workspace and return you to the main Slack website, confirming that the workspace has been deleted. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.